I guess you must have liked it, Janaia.
Let me see how it looks like. It can't be that good that you have to scream like that. Hey guys, it's Jasmine
and Janaia,
and today we're looking at candy underneath the microscope. I have 2 Christmas lollipops,
and I have M&Ms.
I have 3 Musketeers.
I have Christmas
trees.
Christmas trees.
I have some Pop Rocks.
I have some gum.
I have some cotton candy, Christmas edition.
I have peach rings.
And I have jelly beans.
And of course I have Gummy Bears and mints.
Okay, first Janaia's gonna do one of hers.
I'm gonna do my M&M because it's one of the smallest I have. And it's a blue one.
Whoa. You only see like blue.
Which is one of the favorite color.
It is my favorite color.
Yeah.
It's just plain blue, so.
It looks like dark blue.
First is the cotton candy. It's white. Now to see how it looks.
And I'm gonna see after her.
You need to see this, my dear. Look at it. It's
stuck. What? That's so cool!
You guys need to see this.
Now I'm gonna put my peach ring on it. I'm gonna put it half off, half on.
Now to see how it looks like. All you see is the sugar crystals. It looks cool.
I'm ready to see this now. Whoa! All I see is the crystals.
You guys need to see this.
Yep, that is one of the best ones so far.
Wasn't that awesome?
Mm-hmm.
Next, we're gonna be looking at this poor gingerbread man. His leg fell off when I took him out the package. So let me just put him on the thing. Let's see how it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Naya?
Yes.
Ooh! Now this might be the best one so far.
Yep. Now it's your turn to see it.
Wasn't that cool? It looked like the first thing we ever looked on, well, the second, underneath a microscope, the blue water slime. If you didn't see that video, but you could click it up there, it'll be up there. Anyway, Janaia, what do you have next for us?
I have a Christmas tree, but I chose the green one because this is an actual color of a real Christmas tree. So I'm just gonna put this on.
And let's see how it looks like. What?
And it's half on and half off.
It looks just like the peach gummy, so I'm gonna put it more on. It just looks like a green version of the peach gummy, but you can still look at it. Now, we're gonna look at the filling of a Three Musketeers.
It's so tiny.
Let's see how it looks like. If I could just get there. Hold up. Finally got it. Let me just focus it. You guys could come see this one. There's like a line in a part of it. It kind of looks like an arrow.
First, I'm gonna look at it though. If I'm tall enough to reach. Wow. It's so cool.
It looks like a virus where there's like a little bridge, just spiky, and then something spiky next to it. You guys need to see it in this point of view. Next, we're going to be doing a gummy bear. A clear one. Now let's see how it looks. We'll be doing another color after this.
It won't look anything. It won't look like anything. That's why the next color is going to be a yellow.
Let's just skip on to the yellow, shall we? Whoa.
I want to see. Whoa. Looks like the slime we had that was green.
It looks even cooler when you move it around. You guys need to see it when you're moving it around.
Whoa. It looks like green grass moving.
Here, let me see. Let me see.
Do you want to see it too? Of course you do.
Now let's look at the pop rock. Whoa, I didn't know that's how a pop rock looked like. Janaia, come look at this. And there's even a string in, like a string looking thing in it.
Whoa! It looks like a flower petal. Like, you know how you go to weddings? Looks like flower petals in the row.
I guess that's why it makes sounds. It looks like bubbles filled with air or something in it.
It's gas trapped.
You have to look at it. Our mom put on the high power and she wants us to be surprised. So, Janaia, you could go first.
Thank you, my sister. Whoa! It looks even closer. Now it only looks like flower petals.
Oh, it looks like crystals and bubbles in something. This is the best one by far.
She hit her head at the closet part.
You guys need to see it on high powered. Okay, so you see these pop rocks right here? What I did was I put 3 Musketeers in it, and I put it in this like it was flour, like I was baking, and then I put it underneath the microscope, and you guys need to see this. But I didn't really see it that much, but I saw it a little, so let's look.
I want to see if it's that good.
And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Come on, guys. You need to see this. Okay, so the Musketeer, the 3 Musketeer with pop rocks on it, looked so good that I made another concoction. A clear gummy bear with pop rocks on it. So let's just put it in. And Mom, can you adjust it so it'll be a total surprise to you guys and us?
Sure. Guys, I found it under the microscope. You would not believe what gummy bears with pop rocks look like. Look at it under
Janaia,
scanning.
you go first.
I guess you must have liked it, Janaia.
Let me see how it looks like. It can't be that good that you have to scream like that. I mean, come on.
You must have liked it too. What does it look like? We'll call Jordan first.
We gotta call Jordan.
Jordan! Look at this. Isn't it crazy?
You guys need to see this.
Exactly. I hope you liked this video, and I know it was super cool. Comment down below which concoction you want us to try out. This would be really good for a science experiment if you're doing on candy. And don't forget to subscribe. Oops. Talking about subscribe, let's do a subscriber challenge. You will have 5 seconds to subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Did you?
Of course you did.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye. Are you okay? Oh no, we did the emergency.
I got this.
Oh.